Settings and Options. SurveyCrest offer additional settings and options feature, which you can apply to customize survey and other services. On launch page, click on Theme and Settings, and click the Options tab. First option is Randomize Questions. This option lets you randomize the order of survey questions. Click Save button after selecting any option from Options page. ClickTale is analytics service. After clicking this checkbox, you need add ClickTale code under My Account Integration section. Show social media. Click here if you want to show social media icon which lets users to share your survey. Show ReCaptcha. Show CAPTCHA on survey page, user must click it to submit the survey. Google Translation bar, if you want to show Google Translate drop-down, click on this checkbox. Auto Submit, this option automatically submit a survey. When survey window get closed by user, this type of response marked as partial, under Response section. Show Progress bar, if you have a long multi-page survey, add a progress bar to let user know on which page they are in. Share survey via email, enable this checkbox if you want users to share the survey with others using email form. Save and continue, this option allows user to save response and complete it later. They would need to provide name and email to access that survey later. Hide question numbering. By default, question number are visible with each question. You can check this option to hide question numbering. Anonymous survey. When you select this option, information about the respondent's browser and IP address will not be stored. Add survey in My Page. SurveyCrest offer each user a page, where they can show their services links. You can share that single page to let user access all your services forms. You must need to set up page URL and status, from My Account, My Page section. Remove footer. This option allows you to hide the SurveyCrest footer on survey. Show Facebook comments. This option allows you to show Facebook comments on survey page. Countdown timer. Use this feature, if you want to limit respondent to fill survey within certain time period. When timer runs out, the response will be automatically submitted. Response quotas. Use this feature, if you want to limit the responses count of your survey. Once desired number of responses submitted, new respondents will no longer be allowed to access survey URL. Show Stripe payment. Enable Stripe payment feature for your survey. You need to attach amount field with your question. Google Analytics. Add your Google Analytics code to track your survey in Google Analytics website. Enable IPs Blocking. This option restricts survey access from specified range of comma-separated IP address. Exit link. This option adds the exit link on survey, and allows respondents to exit from the survey and redirect to another URL you provided in this text box. Redirect after specified time. On Thank You page, you can redirect user to your website after number of seconds mentioned here. Follow-up button. Using this option you can show button on Thank You page and link it to any URL. Password protected survey. Using this you can restrict user to access your survey. None. By default this option is selected. It means anyone can submit the survey. Individual login. If you turn on this option, respondents need to enter a password in order to submit the survey. Define survey access password here. Email category. If you turn on this option, you can create a unique password for each respondent's email using Address Book. Respondents need to enter an email and password in order to submit the survey. Duplicate response protection. You can prevent your survey from having duplication of response. None. By default, this option is selected. It means respondents can send multiple responses from the same browser. Allow one response per computer. Respondents can send single response from the same computer. Allow one response by IP address. Respondents can send a single response from the same IP address. SEO Meta Settings. Add SEO meta tags to your survey. Allow indexing. Indexing means that the survey is allowed to show up in search engines. You can add meta image, keywords and description of your survey page, which will improve your survey page visibility on search engine and social media pages. Page skip logic. If a respondent doesn't meet your targeting criteria for your required input, you can disqualify them from the survey using page logic. There are 3 options available for what you would like to have happen if your logic condition is met. 1. External URL. This option will immediately direct the survey respondent to an external URL of your choice. 2. Complete. When the logic condition is met, the response status will be marked as complete and send the survey respondent to a thank you page. 3. Disqualified. When the logic condition is met, this option will send the survey respondent to a thank you page with your customized disqualify message. Logic can be applied from Survey Editor. Webhook Settings. Trigger a webhook whenever someone responds to your survey. Don't forget to hit the Save button after selecting the option. Thank you. Please log in and create your survey. SurveyCrest.com